Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix AirDrop not working on macOS by signing out and signing back into iCloud, which often resets connection issues between Apple devices. First, open System Settings on your Mac. Wait for it to load, then look at the left sidebar and click on your Apple ID at the top. This is where your iCloud account settings are stored. Now scroll down and look for the Sign Out button. Before you continue, make sure you know your Apple ID password, because macOS may ask for it during this process. Click Sign Out and confirm your choice. Your Mac will ask you if you want to keep a copy of certain data, like contacts, keychain, or calendars. You can choose to keep them on your Mac for now. Once the sign out process finishes, wait a few seconds so the system fully disconnects from iCloud services. Now restart your Mac once. This step helps clear any temporary AirDrop connection glitches that were tied to your previous iCloud session. After your Mac boots back up, open System Settings again and go back to the Apple ID section. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to Delft Stack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now sign back into your iCloud account using the same Apple ID. Wait for everything to sync properly. Once it's done, go to Finder, click AirDrop from the sidebar, and set Allow Me to be discovered by to everyone or contacts only depending on your preference. Then turn Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and on once to refresh the connection. In most cases, re-authenticating iCloud fixes hidden pairing or visibility issues and restores normal AirDrop functionality. And that is it. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video.